उसके बिहाफ पे एक और
हम्म
लोन दिया जाता है, सरल लोन बोलते हैं उसको, 2 लाख की ओवरड्राफ्ट लिमिट मिलती है।
हम्म
उस पे इंटरेस्ट 13% चार्ज किया जाता है। तो
हम्म
कस्टमर केसीसी का जो लिमिट, वो तो मतलब रोटेशन करवा देता है, इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट करवा देता है। बट जो सरल वाला लोन है, ओवरड्राफ्ट लिमिट, वो उसको बहुत कॉस्टली पड़ता है।
No, no, but I was told by another Grameen Bank where they have a sizable amount of KCC under NPA, and in spite of the fact they follow a different system of classifying as NPA, that officer was telling they have a system whereby the documents are not renewed, then only they are called as NPA. If the customer renews the document, then it is not classified as NPA, something he was telling.
या
And
या इट इज एलईडी होता है सर, एक लेटर ऑफ एक्नॉलेजमेंट।
हाँ,
मतलब जो
acknowledge, लेटर ऑफ
2 पेज का।
एक्नॉलेजमेंट, या एक्नॉलेजमेंट लेने
या
से तो उसको एनपीए भी नहीं क्लासिफाई करते हैं। ऐसा
हाँ,
करने से
एक्चुअली
तो
कस्टमर।
रियल एनपीए विल बी मच हायर अमाउंट देन व्हाट वी आर शोइंग। Anyhow, so recovery of NPA is another important problem. And the main culprit for this is only the government, which allowed, say, loan waiver schemes and all during some times.
या ड्यूरिंग द
Uh,
इलेक्शंस।
yeah, that is why. In Rajasthan, there was any loan waiver by state government or central government.
ओनली देयर वाज अनाउंसमेंट, नथिंग हैपेंड सर।
Acha, they during the elections they said they will do it,
या या
but it has not materialized. It's good
या
that they did not put it. If they do it once, it will
या
further
देन द
for the
प्रॉब्लम विल
future
अराइज।
also. For example, I was told in Bihar in 2008 there was loan waiver, and that is affecting all the banks branches in Bihar now. Borrowers are not willing to pay.
यस सर, दिस इज द मेन इशू।
Why do you want to leave your current job?
I'm getting a higher opportunity, getting directly promoted to scale 2, as promotion policy in RRB is little bit slower, and it will be good to work with Bank of Maharashtra, sir.
Good. What is repo rate and reverse repo rate?
Repo rate is interest rate charged by RBI from banks when bank borrow money from RBI, and
For short,
reverse
for,
repo rate is,
for short term.
yeah, for short term, sir.
Hmm.
Reverse repo rate, bank can park their excess money with RBI to earn some interest.
Hmm. What are the rates now?
Sir, exactly, I don't remember. I haven't seen it. Actually, I was traveling for
Okay.
to come here, Jaipur.
The repo rate is 6.5%,
6.5%. Okay, sir.
and reverse repo rate continues to be 3.35,
3.35. And
and
SLR is 19.5, I guess, sir.
SLR is 18,
18. Okay, sir.
18%, and CRR is 4.5%,
Yeah, CRR is 4.5.
and bank rate is now 6.75. Please note down.
Yeah, I have written, sir.
Then MSF rate is 6.75. Marginal
6.7
standing facility rate.
facility.
Marginal
Yes,
standing facility rate is a facility availed by banks to meet emergency overnight requirements.
overnight. Yes, sir.
And apart from that, a new concept has come now from April 2022, perhaps you are not aware of, known as standing deposit facility. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the rate of
I
interest
have
in
heard
that?
this. I have heard this, but don't remember the interest rates.
The interest rate is 6.25.
6.25. Okay, sir.
I don't know why there is a need for both reverse repo rate as well as this, because both of them are doing the same function. For example, Here, under standing deposit facility also, banks can park their surplus funds with the Reserve Bank of India, not supported by government securities, and that
Okay.
will bring the bank 6.25 percentage.
Yeah. But in reverse repo it is just 3.35.
Yeah. Now there is some interesting question for an officer like you. Why there is a need for repo rate and also bank rate? Excuse me.
It's a no idea.
The idea is bank rate is a rate applied for long-term finances, and this one is for short-term
For sure.
finances. Where the
Okay, sir.
bank is going to avail for short-term only, they can get it at a lesser rate of interest.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this repo rate is changed by which organization?
RBI, sir. In its
What
every monetary policy, every 3 years
monetary
on it,
policy?
3 month monetary policy.
3 months or 2 months? 2 months, because
2 months. Okay.
it has been going on like that September, November, maybe 2 or 3 months, I think so.
I'll
Because
check it.
yeah, latest, December there was one, February there was one, and again we are expecting another one in April.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is PCA and what are the parameters of PCA?
PC is a prompt corrective action. If a bank is not working properly, like if the its NPA is continuously increasing, or there is a default in CRR like that, then the RBI imposes some kind of penalty and some stops some functioning of the bank. This is PCA, prompt corrective action, और इसके जो framework है sir, that is CRAR.
Hmm.
I
I
only
think
remember once.
you are not been able to tell fully.
Yeah.
You are not been able to tell me fully.
Okay, sir. I'll
I,
read it.
I
Don't
have
worry.
posted I have posted a video also on that. Uh, yeah. See, prompt corrective action. They say that even if you go to Chat GPT and search, it will tell you what are the factors that are taken into account. And just a minute, let me try to help you out. Or will you prepare it yourself? आप prepare कर
Yeah, I'll
देंगे?
prepare it. Yes, sir. I'll prepare it for
Very
myself.
good. I will ask some other questions to you. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is retail branch banking?
Retail branch banking. This is a difficult.
Hmm?
I'm not able
कुछ
to
कुछ नहीं है.
recognize it. What
No,
you are.
what you are doing is only retail branch banking.
Yes, sir. That's
What
okay.
what what you are now doing is only retail branch banking. That is
Okay.
opening of bank branches in different parts of the country and serving the interest of um, say small customers and individuals. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
I sum up it. Um, Here I just asked Chat GPT, and Chat GPT told me like this. What is retail branch banking used in India? Retail branch banking in India typically offers services such as opening of bank accounts, depositing, withdrawing money, applying for loans, credit cards, paying bills, and accessing other banking products and services. Customers can
Yes.
interact with bank representatives in person at the branch or through various digital channels, including mobile banking apps and online banking portals. The definition is given as retail branch banking is a type of banking service that is offered through a network of physical bank branches. Physical bank
Yes.
branches,
Physical bank
typ-
branches.
typically to individual customers or small businesses. In India, retail branch banking is a common method of banking where customers can visit a bank branch to perform wide range of financial transactions and services. They also add one
Okay.
more point. Retail branch banking often involves the use of technology such as ATMs, cash deposit machines, to make banking transactions more convenient to customers. Retail branch banking in India is offered by various banks, including public sector banks, private sector banks, cooperative banks, foreign banks, small finance banks. I think I should include regional rural banks also. I have omitted foreign
Yeah.
RRBs, small finance banks, and is regulated by a Reserve Bank of India. Correct.
Mhm.
This is a very simple question. I thought you will answer it. How can you be useful for BOM if we will hire you?
As in my present organization, I'm very much determined to my job and I have performed very well. इसमें अपने achievements बताने हैं?
Yeah. Here you have to tell about achievements and your strengths
Yeah.
by which you will be able to achieve results in future also.
I'm a quick
Okay.
learner. I'm
Acha,
hardworking. I'm a team player.
Nitish, have you seen these type of questions that are asked and I have shared in your folder also?
Yes, yes, sir.
देखिए ये वाला सब जो आप अभी देख रहे हैं ये सब देखा नहीं देखा
So didn't got this much of time.
आप जा आप जानते हैं आपका पास मिलता है
क्या
मतलब
सर?
you are aware that you have this material with you अरे भाई
नहीं मिला नहीं सर मुझे मैंने ढूंढा था. I didn't
these
got
are
it
the
completely.
questions they are going to ask you very same questions they have asked 14th these are the questions they have asked 13th 15th what are the questions that is what are all the questions are given here hello
Yes, sir. I'll prepare them.
देखिए आपको फाइनेंस का बारे में these are the questions what is your understanding of startup India difference between DSCR and interest coverage can you answer this question
So
difference
DSCR तो
between
इसका जो
हाँ
डेब्ट सिक्योरिटी कवरेज रेशियो होता है उसको
हम्म,
चेक करने के लिए हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं.
हम्म,
जो टोटल करंट उसका लाइबिलिटी है
हम्म,
डिवाइडेड बाय प्लस जो उसकी कैश होल्डिंग है डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स EMI.
हम्म,
और इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो. So can you explain it
yeah
so that I will remember it in a better way?
interest coverage ratio uh, what is an acceptable interest coverage ratio overall interest coverage ratio of at least 2 is the minimum acceptable amount. In most cases, investors or analysts will look for interest coverage rates of at least 3, which indicate that business revenues are reliable and consistent. How to calculate ICR? The simple formula for interest coverage ratio is EBIT. What is EBIT?
Earning before interest and taxes.
Divided by interest expense. See, earnings before interest and taxes आपको जितना मिलता है डिवाइड बाय इंटरेस्ट एक्सपेंस ये करने से आपको एटलीस्ट 2 होने से बढ़िया है बट 3 होने से बहुत अच्छा है
Okay, sir.
EBIT divided by interest expense.
Interest expense.
You must memorize this
Yes, sir.
formula. Similarly, you must memorize debt service coverage ratio formula also. These questions are available in your say. 1 minute.
Bank of
What is
Maharashtra.
Bank of Maharashtra folder? It must be available. I don't know by what is the name I have given for that. Uh, yeah, here, this is how it is available now. Interview questions asked. Interview questions asked.
Okay, sir. I'll go through.
Yeah, I think I have wrong. I have put some of these things here. This is the mistake I do. I post in 2, 3 places, not knowing what is to be put in which place and all. That is again another problem. Uh, Even if it is a repetition, let it be there. 1 minute. Just a minute. I will paste this there also. Interview question में डाल देगा, edit कर देगा.
Okay,
But
sir.
it may be repetition, but still it will be useful for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, कर दिया. Good. Next one. Um, you are now working in RRB. Your RRB is profit making or loss
Yes,
making?
it's profit making. Profit making.
Acha, acha, profit.
503 crore profit last year.
Very good. Last question for you. What is ombudsman?
Ombudsman, it provides the customers of a commercial bank to lodge complaint against services provided by the banks if they are not satisfied.
Hmm. You must be
Isn't
able
it
to
such a
tell,
thing?
no, you must be able to tell something more about this, that they have their office now in Chandigarh. The complaints can be made online also. And within 30 days, if the customer is not
Okay,
getting redressal, he can approach. Not only that, you must be able to tell now
penalty.
it is an integrated ombudsman involving not only banks but also non-banking finance companies also.
Okay, sir.
So please उसका बारे में पढ़ लीजिए. They are asking questions because there was recently some change in this regard. That is why they are asking it. And there
Okay.
are some offhand questions about ATM and all. If you go through the questions I have given you now, आपको पता हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Yeah, owners, offers, remote offers.
Yeah, please prepare it and maybe we will meet once again, in which case probably you can sharpen your skills. Not that because
Okay.
today, unfortunately, I could not go further deep into your, say, finance aspects and all that. Udhar, maybe there will be questions regarding to what you studied under finance, taxes, so many things. So questions can range from any one of these areas. If you go through
Yeah, yeah.
the questions that have been asked, आपको पता हो जाएगा. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you appeared for interview last year also? No,
No, no, sir.
no. This is the first time.
Yeah, this is my first time, sir.
And what is the mark you have scored, Nitesh?
91 marks I have got.
It's a really good mark. I think cutoff was 76 or 72, na?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
That means it's a good difference is there. Please try to make use of 1 day available before you to prepare very well about what are the types of questions they are asking, based on which you prepare and
Yeah,
try to
sure.
score good marks. At least 80% marks if you score. Jarur mil jayega.
Yes, yes. I'll try
Right?
my best, sir.
Thank you so much. Your number was, what is your number for 999 63751, correct?
Mine is 6375, sir.
6375. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
I'm closing it. How did you feel it? Was it tough or easy for you?